Hello guys, my name is Nikhil. As you can see, I have bought the Zebronics transformer keyboard from Amazon. It costed 1299 rupees and I have bought it just on January 1st and it came today. I'm going to unbox it now. I'm going to open it 1 second. Wait. Okay. Oh god. This is the Zebronics keyboard. It comes with the manual, user manual. Okay. Here is the keyboard. These are the manual. These are the features. These are the features of everything. These are the keyboard's features. And here is the gaming keyboard. Here it is. As you can see, it's a good quality. It's in good shape. It's in good quality. Cloth is used for this. It's pretty good. I will show you the feeling of the of this keyboard. First, let me remove this for a minute. Just 1 sec. Here you go. The reason I have bought this keyboard is for using it for games, but not on the computer, but on the mobile. I have ordered the OTG cable. When it comes, I will play on the mobile. But for now, I'm just gonna test it. I'm removing the plastic now. Pretty good. It's quite. It's quite. It's pretty good in clicking. It's pretty good. Some people buy only 60%, but I bought all 100%. Here you can see this is the number lock. If you press the caps lock button, it shows here. If you press the home button, it shows here. And we can now we can plug it in. But before that, here is the mouse. This is the mouse. This scroll wheel is pretty good. Under it is metal. This is pretty good. It feels pretty nice. This is all plastic on the top. These buttons, we can map them. We can map them to do something. If you want to switch weapons, we can map these. The clicking is pretty good. Listen to this. The sound is pretty good and it feels really good on my hand as it is big enough, and I like big mouses. It's pretty nice. I click very well. I have this USB port here. Now I'm going to plug it in to the USB port. Okay, let me keep this to the side. Okay. Keep the. I'm going to show you a little comparison. 1 minute. I have to do this. These wires are pretty long to say. These wires are too long. Oh god. Okay, these wires are long enough so I can keep them far away. Okay. And this is the regular mouse and this is the gaming one. Look, this clicking comparison. This clicks slower, this clicks very fast, and I like it. It's pretty good. Okay, let me do. Okay. Oh god, it's flipping over. It is flipping over. See, as you can see, it's lighting up. If I press this, it changes. And you can off it too. Here you go. I don't know. Now it's all three colors mode. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice. Now, here's the mouse. It's working. It's pretty good in typing. Pretty good. But I don't have games to gameplay right now. I need the OTG cable, but I don't have it. So I won't be showing any gameplays. Look. Now I just changed it to normal. Now it's just changing itself. Okay. This is brightness. I think it's brightness. I don't know. I didn't check it completely. These are the extra buttons I bought. These are the buttons I can use. This is the escape button. These are the best this is the best keyboard I can ever buy. This is the num lock. See, if I press it, it's lighting up. Caps lock, pressing lighting up. We can do the nums lock here. I'm just gonna keep it like this. I like this setup right here. I like it. It's pretty good. It feels pretty nice. Also, let me unplug it again. Okay. And now on the back, we have little stands here. This is for short stand. This is the small stand here. I don't know how to open it. This is the small stand here. Look, it's the small stand. Now I'll open the big stand. I'll open the big stand now. This is the big stand here. If you like this for gaming, this is pretty good. The buttons are clicking in very well. Pretty nice. So that's all for today, guys. I just bought this keyboard for gaming and it feels pretty good. It's in Amazon for only 1,299 rupees. If you want to buy it, you can go ahead and buy it. And I can assure you, it feels pretty nice. It's pretty good. I like this feeling a lot. The buttons pressing is quiet. The buttons are pretty good. The home button, these are used to light for the brightness of the colors. Okay, these are normally people would buy 60% keyboards or 75% keyboards for gaming, but I bought the whole thing because I don't like small keyboards that are 60%. No, I play it complete. This is pretty nice. It's pretty good. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoy. Also, click the like and subscribe button for 24 hours of good luck. Bye guys.